Why some people shouldn't work on vehicles. Nah. Freaking, I'm about to play with the upper and lower control arm on this old truck right here. Freaking found out while I was in the hospital. My ex, when her boyfriend replaced the spindle arm knuckle in the older videos, that I had the truck down right before the accident, that the brake caliper mounting bracket was stripped out. I had to get a new spindle arm while I was in the hospital, and her boyfriend went and got a spindle arm from a junkyard and put it on. Apparently he loosened the upper control arm and put the tire out of balance. I just found out the other day when I was talking to him, and that he adjusted the A-frame, A-arm. So I'm about to adjust it back. I thought it was something else wrong with it because I didn't know you did it. So I was looking at other possibilities and not really seeing nothing. But now I was talking to him, he was like, yeah, I remember that. So fun. Got some tools. Got my little nephew in the truck.
A lot bigger than little.
Yeah, he's 19 now. I remember babysitting him since he was born. I was locked up when he was born. Huh?
Yeah.
Bring my soda, please. But I'm trying to get him. He's got a nice little fancy camera. Yeah. I'm trying to get his fancy little camera so I can do some videoing. But
you have your laptop open, right?
yeah, my laptop's working. I need to find a way to clean it.
Well, do you want me to get it? Maybe try it out now?
You know, man. But trying to get old little nephew to start helping me do the videoing. Go shout him out on his YouTube channel. What is it called? Hey, come here. But sitting out here having fun. I got some of the tools out of my blue truck. And I need to organize my avalanche. Hopefully tomorrow I'll charge the batteries in there. And hopefully get that running. Okay. Get some new tires because how bald these ones are. See if I can zoom in. You can somewhat see the tread in the back of it. Back there. Oh, it shows it in the other videos. And there we go. Move a little bit closer. Yeah, no tread to the outside. But oh, my freaking time bar. I just deleted 14 videos out of my camera history. Let's see. He's playing with the camera. He don't want to be on video. He's hiding from the government. What's your YouTube channel? Huh? I ain't got nobody watching my videos yet. I'm not YouTube famous. I only got 19 subscribers. All myself. And you actually, you're on my, subscribe to my channel. You don't watch none of my videos, so I bet.
I don't really watch YouTube.
But ain't that a nice camera? Like the fancy vlogging people use cameras. Got a little side screen. I still like my video recorder, but I need a charger for it, and I can't find the charger I had. I used to use a charger for a PSP player. Look at him over
You
here
have a charger
cleaning
for a
it.
PSP?
No, I had one.
Oh, I was about to say, I have my PSP and a couple games.
I had it. That's how I used to charge my digital camera, my one that flips out.
Camera's about to die.
But hopefully I can find a way to win the lottery and buy a decent camera like this, so I can set it up on a tripod and blah blah blah. Put a little tripod on there and be able to record me working on cars and shit all damn day. Hopefully I can get a house with a fucking, well, I'll try to bleep that out, but try to get in place with a shop here soon. Business loan works out. So I'm gonna start jacking this up, and I gotta adjust it because the tire's pitched in like that. Gotta bring that tire in like that and be able to line it back up. I wish I'd known he had done that months ago, because I'm trying to figure it out, but I really haven't had time in the rain and shit. So my uncle's trying to creep up on me. He mad at me because I got his van running better.
Hey, you gotta see it.
Do I? Yeah, I guess.
You ain't getting me to go get it done sitting there.
No.
What?
I'm about to put that old broken leg to work. Been walking around on quite a bit. It hurts like hell though. Especially the inside of the ankle. It does. On the inside of the ankle, it's been killing me so bad. And it's been a pain in the butt trying to keep my foot from rolling like that sideways while I'm walking. Oh, it itches too. Yeah, I need to get my bug spray. And my mosquito spray.
You didn't pick a good night to be doing this shit.
I need to get done. I've been wanting to fucking do it, but I hate fucking doing this damn wet grass. I got my styro mats over there. I'll lay my styro mats around there so I can lay down and get to the upper control arms. I wish I can get my lift kit and put me a little 3-inch lift kit on it, suspension lift. Do the slightly bigger upper control arms and spin the spindle knuckle. But at least be able to fit these 33s better. But can't wait till income tax season to buy some more 33s. We're gonna put 33s on the minivan.
Yeah.
We're gonna put some mud tires on the minivan. Oh, you got me some new headphones?
No.
Let me check them out. Let me check them out. Oh man, I should have got my light up ones. I need to get my light up headphones. Ooh. Hey Glenn.
Yeah.
Can you do me a favor and go over there to my Avalanche and inside the moving?
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh, it's already on. Go. Back.
Is this top part moving? Or is it the bottom right here at this bulge one?
Try. Do it? I can't tell. I think the bottom part.
Yeah, the bottom ball joint. Rocking.
Are you taking it off?
Shit. Change that bitch one day.
Am I done videoing?
Well, I wonder if I can bring back the other one I have.
Am I done videoing?
Yeah. Alright. Everybody was telling me, no, I don't work on the truck tonight. Do it another day. Ground's all wet from the rain earlier today. But this is one bolt. Can't move it. This is another bolt where that washer's a little movable. So that might be a little loose. But then you got this one. And I just realized that it was loose. Trying to adjust the upper control arm here. My nephew went inside. And it is like 2:30 in the morning now. But my life is just getting better and better. And I gotta see if I can move this tire. I gotta change that lower ball joint. Get these wheels sandblasted and freaking painted. Chrome is flaking. Aluminum's pitting. Yeah. But not a good day. Get these tightened up. Hopefully I can freaking... I don't think the upper ball joint's bad though. See if I can get it to move. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, all it plays out the bottom. But the brake caliper grommets never did show doing that. Little rubber grommets. Finally did those one night. So now brake caliper doesn't rattle. Before it was slapping around when that bolt stripped out and it was not holding the brake caliper down. Then David changed the spindle arm knuckle part. That part there, where that goes down, and where it holds the wheel hub assembly. The bolts come from the back for the wheel hub, but he didn't adjust that upper control arm correctly. Apparently he had tightened it. He said it was loose when he did it. I never had a problem with it, but I don't know, I wasn't there that day. But I know this sucker's loose. So I'm gonna try to tighten that little 15mm bolt. So yeah, put that wrench. Yeah, 15mm wrench. Then get the, what to do with that socket? 15mm socket on a 3/8, which my 3/8 is broken. So I'm gonna grab was that? Oh no, I was using a 1/2 inch. I need to find my adapter like this one. From a 3/8 to a 1/2 inch. You can find a 1/2 inch to a 3/8. I don't think I was using it. No. Need to get my new toolbox one day. I'm gonna get upgrade my toolbox. Oh wait, no, I forgot about this half. I mean, this 3/8. Cause yeah, this one is one of my other 3/8. Alright, popped out right there. Gear has popped out, and my other 3/8, the other cheap one I have, did the same thing. I like the wrench in there. Should bring with the wrench bag. But I think this 3/8 still works. Yeah, it's my Pittsburgh set. Harbor Freight set. So hopefully income tax I'll be able to upgrade my tools. Income tax. There's 3 nuts. So, are there? There's threads on those 2 there, but no threads on that one. Yeah, I can't wait to get impact guns one day for the 3/8, or be able to use my air impact guns. I like to have battery ones for the hell of it, but yeah. I want to get this tightened down. It's almost tight. See, it's starting to get some threads on it. Oh, overexposure. Starting to get some couple threads behind it. Nut. Ain't really movable. Okay. Yeah, see. So a little bit more tighter. Hopefully it doesn't strip it out. I don't think it is, because it is tightened up, but yeah. I mean, nice to get back to work and make money so I can do parts I want to do. Kill for my lift kit and be able to have all new parts and stuff on here. Oh yeah, no, it's super tight. But yeah, super tight. So might tighten it up a little bit more and check it. Try it. But yeah, I wish I can afford a freaking wheel alignment and they can adjust these perfectly. Kind of pain in the butt, move it by myself. All bottom ball joints all ripped. Boot. I'm getting a lot of play, so I gotta break the news to the wife. Gotta spend 10 or 12 bucks to get a new one. A little grease fitting there at the bottom, but yeah, gotta do a new one. It's gonna be extra fun. Stick my little finger in the hole. But clean this bottom of the motor up. Change the fluids every now and then. Be a good truck. One day, when I find my wife her dream Jeep or van, I'll take this truck off the road and it's gonna be my woods truck. But until then, it's a wife's family daily driver. She goes to work in it, and now since my avalanche has been down, been the only vehicle running. So hopefully life starts getting a little bit better. Hopefully the dude I'm conversating with, he said his wife got decent credit and I could try to get a loan with him. Kind of iffy, but I'm hoping for the best. I'm hoping I can start getting back to working and doing my press washer business. And yeah, this dude does auto detailing and cutting grass and stuff. He says he's got a bunch of zero turns and lawnmowers and stuff. So I'm hoping for the work. Yes. Oh yeah, it's tight. Check these other three for the fun of it. Especially since that other one was a little loose. Ain't one there. Oh, it's gonna be a pain in the butt to hold that sucker still. Wish I took off the tire tonight, but really hoping I didn't have to deal with that. But get back to having some fun and trying to get stuff done. Trying to stay ahead with the headache. So fun.